Hey guys, I know everyone has been looking for the best mini drone on Aliexpress under $30. Well, I have been doing some research and I finally found the answer. In today's video, I'm going to tell you everything about the best mini drone on Aliexpress and why those are the best. You can buy it right now. All the links of the mini drones are in the description below the video. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So let's get started. In at number 5, the best mini drone is Kentucky 905 Foldable Mini Drone. This foldable mini drone is the latest drone. It has an altitude hold function, which can lock the height of the drone so that you can have more time to capture the great moment. This function is very useful for the new users of the drone. It is easy to operate. The Kentucky 905 drone has an HD camera, 1080 pixel, or 4K wide-angle camera. This camera can capture HD aerial photos and videos. Amazing works can be shot. You can view the live video on your smartphone using Wi-Fi real-time transmission. 1-key 360-degree flip, 1-key takeoff inflating. You can change the direction easily. The mini drone can also perform tricks such as circle flying or high-speed rotation. The app allows you to draw a path and the drone will follow it. With height holding mode, built-in air pressure sensor, the quadcopter has a headless mode and a return function. After taking photos, there is no need to adjust flight direction. You can return to the start with just one key. Your flight is safer because it was specially designed for beginners. The UAV is lightweight and compact, weighing only 35 grams. This allows you to fly anywhere, anytime. The quadcopter's fuselage is made from high-strength, tough engineering plastics that are lightweight and resistant to damage. With the Wi-Fi function, you can connect to APK system to take pictures and videos, and transmit images in real time through the phone camera. You will have 15 minutes of flying time so that you can take photos and videos. Drone beginners will find it easy to use affordable drones that are suitable for both adults and children. And at number 4, the best mini drone is LSRC 4K Mini Drone. This drone is a good beginner drone. It is small, light, foldable, and portable. It has a lot of features that you would like to see on a beginner drone. It has an altitude hold to help stabilize it. It has multiple speeds. It is definitely smaller and lighter and a totally different type of drone than the fully featured Mavic. So the beginner can adjust their skill level. It has a sophisticated flight system and is equipped with a 4K 120-degree wide-angle HD camera that is a 90-degree angle adjustment. Make the control easy to use. Aerial photography is handy. 4K drones allow you to record in HD and record your every time with different angles. Wonderful moments. Let you stay focused and keep good memories. This drone has a real-time HD image transmission system. Connect to the aircraft Wi-Fi. You can achieve full control of flight and photography. By flight, the process can watch the high-definition images of the aerial photography of the aircraft, and also facilitate your access to the surrounding environment. Line monitoring. The picture back is clear and true. This drone builds in 3.7-volt, 1200 mAh powerful battery. The battery is more convenient to replace. The high energy density of lithium batteries effectively increases power consumption. Powerful, with up to 15 minutes of flight time. With a stable hovering performance system, it is easy to use a remote control 360-degree tumbling stunt in the air. The continuous tumbling operation, then the aircraft automatically make adjustments and balance. This drone has gesture photo and video options. During the flight, aim at the camera of the aircraft and make the corresponding gesture. The aircraft will be self-propelled. Dynamic recognition and intelligent response, support for identifying photos or videos. In this drone support fixed altitude mode. Control the aircraft to fly at a distance from the controller. 5 meters distance. Turn on the following function. The aircraft can automatically follow. This drone has 1-key takeoff and landing system and a 50x zoom system for realistic photos and videos. In at number 3, the best mini drone is S68 4K Mini Drone. The drone is simple to use, with functions such as speed control, headless mode, and one-click takeoff and landing. This drone is easy to fly for beginners. The drone's performance will not be affected by multiple falls thanks to the anti-drop body. This drone has multifunction up and down, forward and backward, turn left and right and sideward flight. LED light, 4K dual cameras, one key to take off or land and return, altitude hold mode, headless mode, Wi-Fi FPV, 3D flip. 2.4 GHz control frequency. The intelligent altitude holding function accurately locks the drone's flight altitude, keeping it in a stable hover. This helps to avoid camera shakes. Once you have set the target via the app, the drone can be controlled with your finger by tracking the flight. The drone will then automatically follow the track. The 4K high-definition camera retains all the details and offers an immersive experience. Beauty filters make photos look better by automatically adjusting the shadow and light. Dual cameras allow for a more spectacular view and can capture even more videos. Face the aircraft camera while you fly and make the same gestures. The aircraft will recognize your gestures and respond intelligently with support for video and photos. S69 is a versatile drone that can perform tricks like circle fly, 360-degree flip, and high-speed rotation. The drone can follow the path you have drawn in the app interface. This is the most recent technology. In at number 2, the best mini drone is KY1014K Mini Drone. This Kentucky 101 drone review looks at the outstanding features, specifications, and frequently asked questions on this latest mini quadcopter. To fit so much technology into the selfie drone is a tremendous feat of engineering, elegant design, and new innovation. In this review, I give you a nice overview of this new mini drone. The selfie drone has flycam range, distance, max height, altitude, frequency, sensors, transmission, gimbal, cameras, flight compatibility, and much more. This drone has a GPS positioning system. This drone with the powerful GPS not only can capture your position precisely anytime, but also provide the smart automatic return home function. One key return, low voltage return, and no signal return, which will keep your drone fly back to you safely and always under control. It has 1080 pixel, 90-degree wide-angle HD FPV Wi-Fi camera. GPS fixed height and position will definitely bring you the high experience of fluent and stable photographs, selfie shots, and live video. To record every fabulous moment of your life with you, this drone builds in 3.7-volt, 1800 mAh powerful battery. Kentucky 101 has a longer endurance time because of its built-in brushless motors, and the whole fly system will offer the flight time for up to 15 to 20 minutes with high energy efficiency power. The aircraft can be connected through Wi-Fi, and the real-time transmission function can be activated. Take aerial pictures of the aircraft, overall control, and viewing. Image feedback clear. Fast 200 meters unimpeded. This drone has a gesture photography system. Gesture the camera and take a picture and videos. 1080 pixel HD colorful resolution. Excellent anti-shake technology. You can set specific buildings, objects, or locations as points of interest. Set the height and radius of the circle. On one, the plane can fly around the center point automatically, easily shooting the master lens effect. You can download the officially designated app and connect to the aircraft by Wi-Fi. You can control the aircraft through the mobile phone. It has comprehensive functions and more simple operations. With a stable hovering performance system, it is easy to use a remote control 360-degree tumbling stunt in the air. The continuous tumbling operation, then the aircraft automatically make adjustments and balance. In at number 1, the best mini drone is S602 RC4K drone. One powerful modular battery can provide a maximum flight time of 15 minutes. You will receive a storage box as well as a modular battery. This will allow you to fly for up to 15 minutes. The modular battery is also easier to set up and safer to use. The HD real-time transmission camera, S602, allows you to see beautiful scenery clearly from the camera. Smooth FPV transmissions are possible with this drone up to 150 meters away. With the 4DRC app, you can instantly capture 1080 pixel HD aerial footage and share it on social media. This quadcopter can be operated with a simple 3D flip button. Amazing 3D video performance allows for flying in 3D. You can easily control the drone's flight direction by shaking the phone. Draw a flight plan on the app map and the drone's altitude will be maintained according to the route you choose, offering you a unique flying experience. This will allow you to have great fun with family and friends. 4DS602 optimizes the user experience with intelligent features. Smart Return to Home allows for precise hovering and automatic takeoff. The operation is now more efficient and safer than ever. One key high-speed rotation will bring you more joy during flight. There are many possibilities when the sky is your canvas. You can use gesture control to pose to the camera and trigger video recording and phone taking. You can take complex shots with your hands free. You can put your phone into VR glasses. They provide amazing visual fidelity as well as a 3D experience. With your phone, you can view first-person live video right from the camera. I hope you enjoy this video. I request you please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video.